Hello everyone, so welcome to the video again. So since we are discussing the chapter ratio and proportion and we are studying about ratio, so in this video we will study the comparison of ratio. Now we will study about comparison of ratio. Now what do you mean the comparison of ratio? That means two ratio will be given. Suppose x is to y and a is to b. Now you have to tell when the question comes compare the ratios, that means you have to tell either x is to y is greater than a is to b or a is to b is greater than x is to y. So whenever this type of question comes, so we have to find out which one is greater, either this one will be the greater or a is to b will be greater. Okay, so let us see how to solve this type of questions. For example, the question is compare the ratios 5 is to 8 and 10 is to 12. Now 5 is to 8 can be written as 5 by 8 since ratio can be expressed in the form of fractions. Similarly 10 is to 12 can be written as 10 by 12. Now see, 10 by 12 are not in simplest form. That means the HCF of 10 and 12 is not equal to 1. So what we will do, we will convert them into simplest form. So 10 can be written as 5 into 2, 12 can be written as 6 into 2, so it will be 5 by 6. Now see here, 5 by 8 is a fraction and 5 by 6 is the another fractions. Now here we can't compare by looking here. So what we have to do, we have to make denominator same. Here it is, the denominator is 8 and here the denominator 6. So in both the fractions we have to make denominator same. So to make denominator same we take LCM, that means lowest common multiple. So here denominators are 8 and 6. So if we find out the denominators, it will be, I think everybody knows how to find it. So it will become 2, 4 and it will become 3 again. So there is no common factor here, so it will be 2 into 4 into 3, that means 2 into 4 into 3 and it will be 24. So the LCM will be equal to 24. So what will be our next target? Our next target will be to see, let us take the first fraction 5 by 8. Now here in denominator it is 8, so we have to make this 8 equal to LCM. Now what is the LCM? 24. So what should we multiply with 8 with 8 such that we get 24? So everybody knows that 8 into 3 is 24. Now whatever we are multiplying in denominator, we have to multiply the same number in numerator. So we have to multiply into 3 with what was the numerator? 5. So 5 into 3. Now 5 into 3 is how much? It is 15. So we have made the denominator equal to 24. Similarly in this fraction, here it is 6. Now we have to make 6 equal to the LCM. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 24. So what should we multiply with 6 so that we get 24? Everybody knows that it will be 6 into 4. Now since we are multiplying 4 in denominator, we have to multiply 4 in numerator also. So it will become 5 into 4 and it will become 20. Now see, now these two, in these two fractions both the denominator are same. Okay, now we can compare. So before comparing, let me tell you one more thing. Now see, 5 by 8 is equal to 15 by 24. So we can say that equivalent fraction of 5 by 8 is 15 by 24. These are known as equivalent fractions of each other. Similarly 5 by 6 got converted in 20 by 24. So we can say that equivalent fraction of 5 by 6 is 20 by 24. Now to compare, that means we have to tell which one is larger, which one is smaller. So when denominators are same, we have to check the numerators. Okay, so here in both the cases denominators are same. Okay, now here the numerator is 15 and here the numerator is 20. So when denominators are same, the fraction that is containing the greater numerator will be larger. So here 20 by 24 will be greater than 15 by 24. Now in place of 15 by 24 we can write 5 by 8. In place of 20 by 24 we can write 5 by 6. Now see, our question was not to compare between 5 by 8 and 5 by 6. Our question was compare the ratio between 5:8 and 10:12. Now we know that 5 by 6, we got 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 from 10:12. So what we will write, we will directly write 5 by 8. Let me write it here. So 5 by 8 is smaller than 10 by 12. So therefore what we can say, we can directly write 5:8 is smaller than 10:12, or we can say that 10:12 is greater than 5:8. So I think you have got the idea how to solve this type of question. So what we have to do, when two ratios are given, to compare it, we have to make first denominator same. Now how to make denominator same? We have to take LCM of the denominators. Then we will convert this first fraction also into its equivalent fraction, and the second fraction also into its equivalent fraction, and then when the denominators are same, we will check the numerator, the fraction who is containing larger numerator, that fraction will be larger, and hence we will again convert that into the given ratios. Okay, so I think you have got it. So thank you for watching.